Hello, welcome to another video, and we are doing Angry Birds, except with a little twist.
Yeah, just a little. The birds are actually bad.
And the pigs are going to be slingshotted at the birds.
Yeah, we made a little mistake in our last video, so you will see some pieces that look like destruction, which is sort of is. But could you point it so they can see the Darth Vader?
Yeah. So here is our structure.
Yeah.
And here's an egg behind there.
Yeah.
There's the king thingy. We built a little thing of wood.
And please leave a like for our creations.
So,
yeah, I see the kids just started. Hi. Hi. Hi.
no. Oops, sorry. No.
Hi. Yeah!
Boom!
Oh!
Now you get to flick off a bird. It can't be the emperor. Oh, whatever. We'll just try that. Now just keep on flicking it.
Well, this piggy, done good.
Yep. You should give him another chance.
You deserve another chance, piggy droid.
Pig droid. Piggy droid did something good. He destroyed the L. Now you can get Bomb Bird a little bit easier.
Oh yeah.
He's a good piggy. Every piggy deserves 4 chances.
Okay.
Oh, well, that works, kind of. It unstable the thing.
Yeah.
Now it's not
Look,
unstable.
I forgot there was a bird here.
Oh,
So, see that bird under there?
yeah. Can you see it?
There's a bird under there. They saw it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will show you all the damage, and yeah. We got the Emperor!
That means we just won the whole game.
Yeah, I guess so.
But guess what? Mikey's coming in! Oh yeah! Wait, no,
Turn
you
him
can't
on,
see.
turn him on.
No. It was his fault. Mikey's coming!